So my people, me have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. We have Kizzy sister and this youth our name No. Zane, he look like say them people. But me see she did up on one live attack like say him a look her. You see me? But me hear him in our ATM with her. I call her babe and them something there. So me don't know when you reach a babe stage of a relationship. If I want to just start talk, I when you knock it on sister boy there or something. But you are going to know my people. Them have some argument over money. I guess the youth must do a match and she, you know what I mean, shoot some kind film and it cause some argument and me she say I bring him down certain way and I expose him. So I'm going to share that with all of my people. We also have Shiwada. I beat the cat woman and I take her down because you know the rumors are growing. Because I share it with Uno. Say she chop the youth them money. You know what I mean? She chop Owie and him baby mother money. Allegedly. You see me I say? So you know say Shiwada is a person where him no hold him out ground and talk, and whatever him feel, him going to express himself, right? They bring it to him attention, say Roger must see collect money too, and me going to make you hear what him have to say about that also, right? We also have big discussion with people, big argument, big bring down, big chattings on the whole situation with Owie and the baby mother. You see me, I guess the baby mother set a family them come out and I say something. You see me, and we learn say she the baby mother stepmother black Owie and other members from seeing the female. Right? So we are gonna get in at my people. So these are the things I have to share with Uno. Maybe add more things as we go along. I don't know if I left out none, but if I left it out, you surely are going to see it in the video. So make we get in there.
Anti-oath. And my father said, no man running, can be there to show and whatever. You understand me? She draw down her clothes, piss her ground and shit her ground. And I like she lay down in her bed and shit up herself and we have to clean her. And on the same Wednesday, when he come for her, the same Wednesday when he come for her, and the same Wednesday she do it. Me call him, cause everything at morning and me call him. Me text him all late night, me him a text up to all 12 o'clock enough time when she do the things them. You understand me? When he come here the Wednesday and he got hospital with her, me say, she do the and piss up in here, you know, Owie.
Nika, calm down, sis. Sis, calm down, sweetheart.
Right?
Calm down.
When he, after he said that,
don't go so deep. Nika, the school no man. Don't go so deep, sweetheart.
Let me tell you something. Me just cut up and they just told my boss from my sister, from she's sick, from a just see her, from Nisha just come from Upper Owie, and me still not gonna say. He make you stay so, and me still not gonna talk the things them and say, he make you worse and this and that. But the fact is, you have her up there 3 months sick. And then when she come around in 2 weeks, you have to come on the internet, I go say, how much if I never come here and carry her doctor should I dead? How the hell you talk something like that? At 3 months, she sick when I got there for my sister, she a trim like leave.
She can't even stand up.
She can't even stand up. I need a knock. She have knock knee. She have knock knee and Nisha have knock knee. You understand me? We don't look no up. And then white, I forgot and then white. You understand me? She want blood.
We go down in the blood yesterday.
You understand me? Yesterday we are going to go blood, right? Then she want 4 blood donor. Let me tell you, because I'm not going to go deep and I'm not going to hear certain things from me. And the only reason I'm going to tell you about
don't go deep, Nika.
The only reason I'm going to tell you about the Pampers a while ago and because him come this morning come read. Ask how much time I tell him, say, do not tell the people them nothing what go on with Skibby. Up to him mother me ear talk to Nisha on the phone and say, him tell Owie, don't tell the people them what go on. Don't update them about certain personal information because the hospital when Nisha there should have mentioned this morning. The fact that Nisha wear Pampers should have mentioned this morning. To ask for your help, look all the help you need. Because you claim to say you don't have no money, no problem with that. Look the help because you know do the internet. And if when I find a difficulty, I need the help, and them I help other people who do fuckery and fart. Nothing wrong with that. Because we don't want the money from him. Ask him if we beg him the money. You understand me?
About the money.
The fact say yesterday she forget 4 blood donor. Right now, Nisha forget the blood from Friday over here. Me and Owie talk. Why he never tell me say Nisha forget the blood from Friday? When I ask Owie when the blood for donate, Owie say he do not know. When she call me and ask me say if we ever donate the blood, I say to her say yes. Me jump up how much in Owie volunteer for go. You understand me? Until 4 Owie reach because him tell her say him can't go because they not nobody to keep the baby. Bear in mind it's at the hospital him going, you know. You understand me? He not go to hospital, he might go to the blood bank when he can carry the baby straight through. He can carry her in. Well, if that's fine. We go to the blood bank, we donate the blood or whatever. After we did on a public, when my stepmother go register, you understand me? We see him roll in. Him and him and the baby come. Why? You didn't go to the blood bank, go and donate the blood. Eh? Why you never go donate it? Him even send my stepmother one long voice note. You understand that? That's why I'm telling you something, you know. Tell me stepmother one voice note, they go talk about how much him go back out. And family supposed to jump up now and do what they're supposed to be do. I don't know what nobody stressing him. His sister even send me stepmother one voice note about how much nobody know for ask no pampers because she a stepmother and my father did it. Which we not a problem to do nothing fair, as me say. But what we are say is the money them and him even say the voice note that only him alone have savings left. Nature savings done. Me no want to no feel like debate for money this and money that. That is not the problem. Work for my auntie house.
The only reason why she get transfer is them say they may get better treatment down there so. Better treatment they down there so. And as me say, the family will know exactly what wrong with her because of the family in charge of her down there. So now for the next of kin, we know what exactly atmosphere. We not go through a punch palm or we tell we what wrong with Nisha. So all of them something I see on TikTok. I said Nisha dead and Nisha organs them swell up and Nisha wear pampers and Nisha wear the pampers because them don't want she get up. That's why she wear the pampers. And she shit up herself is spite. And she piece up herself is spite. It's just because them don't want she get up. And when she get transferred yesterday, the nurse said to her, say, you have to try to move your foot them and them don't know why the reason them never that make sure what down there so. Baby a come on quite well. She a come on. And if what him say, our organs them a swell up, we shall know for ourselves. And a God. Me not part pronounce not dead over Nisha. That now come across my mind none at all. So if Satan have that in store for him better rewind and come again. Rewind and come again. And whatever who want to amateur, them rewind and come again. And I don't business who want to say this and who want to say that. The help is there for baby, the support is there for baby. So we are saying we don't want how we are behave as if when the family not supporting. That we really are say. And then all kind of something talk and I behave as if him not saying the things them. A family member name a jug as if baby don't have nobody away from him and Fim family. I saw it look. As if him and baby family, a Fim family and alone their own baby and nothing go so. But before baby sick, remember them are big people, them live together. No family member not trouble them and their relationship because everybody live them life how they want to live them life. Nobody not have nothing against Owie.
People, you see Owie I want to look at mama man. And on a big man level, as this girl here jump up out of the hospital, she not even fit go back at the yard. She fit just make sure see her people them go for her something them and bring it for them yard. She not fit go back there. I just say that to people due to all what them say about him. You know what I mean? I don't know everything factual still, but you know what I mean? It's a curmudgeon mama man. Because you are going to tell me say your woman sick And you go tell the people them say all of fear savings done. And you alone have savings. And it's like you're not gonna touch your savings. Yeah, look it from them. Me understand on a level still. You should alright. If the way they are look on it say you don't really want don't have the savings. You should never make fear one reach to deplete. You shouldn't make fear one deplete. You should have look the money from when you see say the money go down. Seeing oh you say I alone have savings and she fear savings done. So you know say fear money and fear money and fear money and fear money. Me almost sure say if this woman did the one way healthy and him the one way sick, should have spent fear money upon him. Me almost sure that my people. Big woman thing. That speech that way make him look away. You know what I mean? And to me, my people, as we are saying in the previous video, it's like them family don't mesh. Them don't mesh. Like Feme family don't like her family nor she, and her family don't like his family and him. That's how it look to me. You see me I say? So let me know what you think. We're gonna watch some more.
I mean done it already tell you pan they already find the first place why the family member is kind of vexed with Owie. And then he about himself. Any family member that vexed about that? Any parents that vexed about that?
Only fan. The number to call is 366-5588. Yeah. Stop telling about Ivany crying. She weren't crying. She was manipulating you guys. Raja raised money for Nisha. After Nisha not get all of the money, all I want raise money now. Them not get all life. And they realize that oh we have them savings. Hey, we don't know how mankind wicked. Everybody we out there will say them a do this for Nisha, them a do that for Nisha. Me I gonna say this now, and I hope you catch me properly. Me I say this, everybody we are lobby for Nisha, them not lobby for Nisha. Them are lobby for themselves. Reason why I say this is because you can't tell none of them rank a TikTok and you say them bro. Show and false. So why they not going to them account and take out something and donate it to Nisha instead of taking up yourself going to the hospital and turning on your life talking about come on guys, we have to pray for Nisha, we have to do this for Nisha, we have to collect this for Nisha. Nisha never come on the internet and beg for none of we yet. None of we. You understand what me I say? So do we know what kind of illness Nisha had for us to be having a GoFund for Nisha? Why we not going to our personal money and take it out? Because we must have been saving because we have been begging. So we must have been saving. Why we need the situation to be monetized instead of us sensitizing the situation with our own sweat, blood and tears? That's why we can't understand. Everybody a hustler. Everybody. Everybody a hustler. I'm not asking you. From the time them they on the app and reach until now, when you really can't go in a phone a bank account and take out an offering out of phone savings and donate it to the girl who have to have on a light up to monetize it in order to give the child something, and then uno wants to go and tell me say, oh God, come on people, prayer for Nisha. Uno go so, hey, don't look at this no. Leave the child alone. Leave the girl alone. Leave her alone. Worse, she never beg for none of it. Leave her alone. Uno not have to beg for the child. The scripture say, every man according as he purpose in his heart, so let him give, not grudgingly or of necessity, because God love it a cheerful giver. Uno not give cheerfully. You see, uno. Yeah, uno not give cheerfully, so we don't know where all of this Nisha campaign for. None of this Nisha campaign be real, not real. Lati, you say it best. Lati Fula, you say it best. I can't bother. They need to be truthful about her condition. Lady, me going to tell you the truth. And I don't want to sound insensitive. But you see, I cannot understand the logics of you coming and begging and just telling me that your woman's sick. I want to know what am I contributing in? What am I contributing to? What am I contributing against? What am I contributing for? Me want to know all of that. The moment you go bring your problem on the net, alright, this is for me. If you ever come to me for seek out something from me, you know, say, me I want a 100 grand for borrow. Alright, what you want a 100 grand for borrow for? So you have to know that too, and my money, and me I want to know what am I sewing into. So come up with a lie. Come up with a lie. Come up with a lie. My mother wants to talk to you, Shibi, I'm family. Lady, me can't take on no more family, you know, I'm full up. Jesus speaks, we just a step up in our life. I'm going to find out more family. Lady, me not Christopher Columbus to my siblings. They me don't want to know when none of them. Hello? Later. Me don't want to know no more cousin, auntie, nephew, niece, grandfather. I don't want to know nobody else. I full up. I don't want to know nobody else. Anybody when me never know when me I grew up, me don't want to know them now. Me don't want to know them now that me so about for bust my eye and give up my virginity. Me don't want to know them. Yeah. So tell them that I can't talk to her now. I cannot talk to her now, nor then, nor ever. I don't want to know no more of my family them. Yeah. I think family to Nisha, I think they... What? What are you talking about? Nisha not even like people and one of them pack up down there. Then you think say me could have got above and beyond. No my love. No my love. The support is nice, you know, to some people, but not to everyone. And not everybody like them laundry to be outside with a clean or dirty. And everything they monetize. No, for sure. It's not good. When you can't go down to the hospital, go look for the girl. The girl not even know us. When you too damn out of order. I say something from my life, you know. This morning, without hearing what the mother say, and later on, the idea me hearing the mother say, Nisha just stay by herself because she thinks we not like Owie. I'm laughing at myself and myself go this morning, me talking. You see, sometimes You're there with a boy and you want a man. And a boy is there to tell you, say, don't listen to your mother, listen to me. Me want the best for you, your woman want the best for you. And you see the tackers.
But people, you see all of these collecting money on the behalf of Owie Dem M0Ney. I do feel like say these people create them something to try to make some money. Because them money hungry and money greedy, you know. You see me I say, remember them wear out the whole of the people them who used to gift them. Them don't really have nobody to gift them like that no more. So that's why you see them a turn to different thing. And if I feel take with them fellow TikToker have a simple thing that's a no-brainer, them not even a think, them even devise plan for rob them people. You see me I say, because even the cat lady situation, me people, me I tell you, say, yo, Jano star. Me not say she do it, you know, but me I say she do it. If you don't understand what me I mean, because you are one. Sometimes the good have to suffer for the body, you know. Because a lot of people come already and did so much things that you can't say, boy, give a person the benefit of the doubt. You go say, yo, I chop the people them. And that's how it look to me, my people, because then up on the live, and as the man say, collect money, right away the cat woman ready to send out her Zelle and PayPal and the whole of them something to collect money. She push herself in to collect the money. I mean, sure say, this youth you have somebody overseas who can collect the money where them a send come give him. Saying, so me don't know why she should have involved. As me say, my people, I don't want to make it look like say she really take the money, but me I use the rest of people them fat and fry her and say, boy, you take the money, in my opinion. You understand me I say? So you say as the money forward now your thing and way and a bag of things. People, me find that hard to believe. That is just my opinion, as I said before. For all we know, what she has said happen maybe for true. You understand me? So, make watch some more.
We in a what they call young woman era. We believe the boy. Oh, it is a you see? You know, it's so fascinating. When them do live, how we look like him jump around and do every single thing in the house with Nisha. These are the things I observe, you know. It look like him jump around and do every single thing. But it's when Nisha is in a bad state, now you see oh really do every little thing. When the camera is on, how we get so active. Oh, he look very lazy to me. Me not care when nobody wants to say. Him look very lazy to me. Oh, he look like when the camera is on, him get active. Sometimes Nisha is displeased. They can't see it in her face because this is not the man when the camera isn't on. Ladies, they say, Uno only take man blindly and then come back to the world and complain. Uno not observe certain things. Me not ask Uno. I'm not asking when the camera on, how we look like with a boss of sweat, you know, and you just watch the Pats on a dance. Yeah, for true. And sometimes you can see Panisha face like, what are you doing inside here? No, but on the line me I tell. Straight on the line me I tell. This way tell me look, let me tell you something. Girl walk and take man to blindly. A boy come and say him like you just observing. You just searching deep with him. You know say everything we might tell you knock off. Made in China. The number to call is 366-5588. Yeah. Stop telling about Ivany crying. She weren't crying. She was manipulating you guys. Raja raise money for Nisha. After Nisha now get the whole of the money, all that who raise money now, them now get the whole of it. And they realize they we have been savings. Hey, we don't know how mankind wicked, you know. Everybody we out there will say, them a do this for Nisha, and them a do that for Nisha. Me I go say this now, and I open the catch man properly. Me I say this, everybody we are lobby for Nisha, them not lobby for Nisha. Them are lobby for themselves. Reason why I say this is because you can't tell none of them rank a TikTok you say them bro. Show off files. So why they not going to them account and take out something and donate it to Nisha instead of taking up yourself, going to the hospital and turning on your life talking about, come on guys, we have to pray for Nisha, we have to do this for Nisha, we have to collect this for Nisha. Nisha never come on the internet and beg for none of we yet. None of we. You understand what me I say? So do we know what kind of illness Nisha have for us to be having a GoFund for Nisha? Why we not going at our personal money and take it out? Because we must have been saving, because we have been begging. So we must have been saving. Why we need the situation to be monetized instead of us sensitizing the situation with our own sweat, blood and tears? That's why we can't understand. Everybody a hustler. Everybody. Everybody a hustler. I'm not asking you. From the time them dip on the app and reach until now, when you really can't go in a phone a bank account and take out an offering out of phone savings and donate it to the girl who have light up for monetize it in order to give the child something, and then uno wants to go and tell me say, oh God, come on people, prayer for Nisha. Uno go so, hey, don't look at this no. Leave the child alone. Leave the girl alone. Leave her alone. Worse she never beg for none of we yet. Leave her alone. Uno not have to beg for the child. The scripture say, every man according as he purpose in his heart, so let him give, not grudgingly or of necessity, because God loveth a cheerful giver. Uno not give cheerfully. You see, uno.
Alright, so my people, just let me know what you guys think in the comment section. You see me, I say, because you have to know people, you know. You see me, you have to really understand people and how them work, how them operate. You know what I mean? Just watch people and you will get everything revealed to you sometime or another. People, them no business about nobody. Majority of people don't business about nobody else but their self. Everything them go in or do, them do it for their own self gain. You see me, so most people when you don't see I go and like say them a try help out a situation or help out somebody, if you look deep, you find say them a help themselves too. You know what I say? So we just have to have that in the back of our mind and don't get surprised by people, because people will be people. You understand? And they will surprise you. You see me? Because human being can be one of the worst things on the land. Remember me did tell you. You know what I mean? So in this situation where this female is sick and these people I say them a collect this and collect that, I know not for sure still, you know, but me almost certain say, yo, when them collect this money, them now give them all away. You see me, I say them collect. Remember the other day, man, I think Derek did come out and him and say, yo, Blinga, when Blinga collect the money, them Blinga give them only one little bit of money and keep the rest for yourself. And that him did say, you know, my people. I think see that him did say, yeah. But don't quote me upon that. You see me? Not meaning say she really do that still, you know, because she might do it or she might not. But just for somebody come out and say something like that, that's a bad picture paint at you. So some of the time you see some things, you just low it and don't get yourself involved in it. Just stay from afar, prayers up, and you can't even go close to the situation to give moral support or, you know what I mean, just strength in general. You see it? So people, let me know what you think. We'll watch some more and then we're going to move on to the next.
Yeah, we're not get cheerful, so we don't know where all of this Nisha campaign for. None of this Nisha campaign be real, not real.
Hello. Moderator black you, but you must not copy and go and water. Moderator. Don't talk with you. I'm not gonna learn. What a piece of luck you can come here, girl. Killer.
Yeah, I'm in the box a long time waiting. Everybody call I said nothing.
She's Sagittarius girl, thank you, my baby. Try to not follow her there for me, say that one there. What is it?
I need 600. How much? What I need to send?
One post.
Lord Jesus. How much coins is that?
I knew you can a girl 5,000.
So what I'm about that for New York, my day?
Yo, you going at them? You going at it? If you going there, I will shell on there. Yeah, man, it backs up on the top, man. You just screw him, man, like when I throw the waka aisle. Oh, you know then. You know then. You know if you mix it, you know?
No, I'm not telling you, you know, if you turn on all this, it's going on.
Yeah.
So you can't take the wheel?
My girl, I don't want no wheel, darling. I don't want no wheel.
The kitten?
I don't want no wheel. That's what I mean.
What do you mean, man? I always be gifting you. Come on.
Yeah, me no killer, but what me I say is that
What?
just send the post come now, babes.
I don't have enough on there for send the post. I can't send
and shaking go suck your mama.
Can't send
away,
the on something else, but not.
Alright, send it away. What you say?
The whale and something else. I don't have enough for the Lee and the kitten.
Alright, send it. Let me see if they can bring it up. I'm not gonna really have a
No bother with it. I've been sending all along. I keep my wheel and my other things then. You want to negotiate with me?
Have a nice blood clot, dear. Keep it. Can't believe you're bad up my throat right now. If you will. Keep your wheel. Take me free for make you keep that. Yeah, take me free for make you keep that. Work me, I work. I replace respect. Blingers, what go Angel, it's like on my road, me I go block you off on my page. Come on, fire. All I black there. Like on my road, you come off a blood clot, yeah. We come up on a fake page for you.
Yeah, where are you, bad man?
We come up on the fake page. I feel like I don't know, say you. Let me tell you, you see all the people that we compare with fake page, we just laugh at them and make them no smarter. Because listen up, me have the 4 OZ app enough in TikTok, you know. So it show the account where associated with the same, once I use the same phone, it show the account where associated with the TikTok to like.
Jabbers, you're too high up, bro. Not gonna go stop.
So I'm gonna just get up and say to you just some bro what I blows.
Because you just figure say
you never talk to me yet, bro. You never talk to me, bro. You never talk a while ago. You never talk a while ago. You never said nothing a while ago. Me say it to you as a reach up. I said, where you come over and pay your fake page for?
Alright.
Say you, bro.
Yeah, I see things, but that's how you go then. But where I drop something,
Just-
you know what's up here?
Just say what you said, man. Yeah, man. You ever say about your cheap one them then, you?
Look more. When ain't how much?
No, me not play no match. Say the check them now.
What me top about?
Go and go top up and come back.
Big up yourself.
Yo, I'm a G man now. I watch me but me know say him. You think me know say him, me know.
When you say one day, and big so one day you're in good barrack, right? You get back your bima, say back your bima, put back your money in your pocket.
You not gonna know, say me make man rob him up, you know.
You're not gonna know. You stick with your go bad and say, oh God, be the thief my car. Ooh, and you go bad him like say.
Yeah, help him ball.
This is last money. This is last money. You see me?
Yeah.
No, nothing go on. And you turn the hug up and you don't know, say your friend him take away your car and send it back on that car. You have fucking money. And now I'm a big dog, man. And here, man. But you move like a smart youth.
Yo, regular, you know. You're a thief, you know. Yo, man, a thief, you fuck.
Jayden, I reckon I'm buy pussy from girl. You see, if you have one good 150,000, you see after me done fucking, and then go and send on my dog running around the road and say, yo, don't move, police. And take away bumbo cloth and say, he come and say, man, just rob me, not me. I say, hey, which boy that? I say, no, I'm rob him. And me and my driver on the whole place, I look for robber them the whole night. I didn't even know that they rob him. So what, man? Don't you lie? Come in my side, pot up and chef. I thought it's nice, but you're not gonna have so. Yeah, boy, I'm really smiling at that. Right. My side, snap, no chat. My side, we can't snap. My side, we can't snap, no chat.
Yeah, man.
People, me not lie, I don't know how that video you gonna turn out, you know, because all of us see me there, do that video, you know. Sleep a box me left, right, and center, you know, my people. Me say me can't wait to do this video and done. You know what I mean? I make gonna get it. So, I hope say do good, because me there Josie like, you know what I mean? Me very Josie, my people. See? So, me I say me I watch a video here with Top Banks and the Lion Man, and people me say me laugh right through the video. Yeah, Top Banks advise the man how to get back him woman and wait for do and get back him money after him use the money to get the home. Boy, I tell him no say a jail, a prison, a prison I go. You see me I say if like them ever hold on upon evil the man them, you see me? And then them come and tell them say this money do it and whatever. A prison them money I go. Remember me tell you that. So me not talk to all of people because me tell them more sleep like ratty but more finish the video, you know. So we can watch some more.
Big up yourself, you know, dog. Hear that?
No, big up.
Buy some roses and send one little car go game. So buy one little super sitting game and catch him back. I get it, man. Believe me, I get it back.
More drive market, so the fuck more do it look swift.
You can't put it on the road, but no, man, there's a woman always on the night. There's a woman love more things. It don't really matter.
Me not buy no love.
Alright, buy my bima then, if you buy them one time.
Me not buy no love.
This is what I go do. If you buy me bima, all I have to do now, and you get back your pussy, you just make one man hold him up and take back your car. Just buy me car and then make one man hold him up and take back your car. Simple as that. My side, come some more, bro.
Bumbucker!
Simple move that, me dog. I want to hear nothing ordinary in that. Buy me be my one nice BMW. And then after you done fuck you back, I said one man go take you back. Brother.
Yeah, man, that man, yo. Miss shoot.
And then fuck you back, you must start fall for you again. So I know say you have him. So when you take back the car now, go feel now. You just allow one day and big so one day you're in good barrack, right? You get back your bima, say back your bima and put back your money in your pocket.
You not gonna know, say I mean make man rob him up, you know.
Ah, you're not gonna know. You just take my car and go bad and say, oh God, be thief my car. Ooh, and you go bad him like say.
Yeah, help him ball.
This is lost money. This is lost money. You see me?
Yeah.
And you know nothing go on. And you turn the hug up and you don't know, say your friend him take away the car and send it back and that's car. You have fucking money. And now,
when me go embassy, me I tell us I be a working class people come and whispers, you know, see no little dirty girl. I be a top man come fuck there some top woman working class. I tell her, them woman they come like them come grind and go back home to their family. Me not see no little dirty fuck girl come at them place there. I some big league. So if somebody carry this one, I feel no way about that because the top is set up.
Any girl say a true then fuck the day. Yeah man, me know you fuck the day, Camila. You're a dirty girl. Me see you man. Me see your dirty tongue. Done for every done. Me know. Any girl will say a true no fuck the day. Me know a girl ever fuck the day, man.
My run one next Martin.
Crosses, girl, you know. See Cardi there? Cardi, me know you hey man.
Guys, nothing wrong with whisper. Upper whispers clean comparing to some places. And in their room look good. And it's cheap and nice. Me thank you very much. Brother God whispers more than go enough places. No joke, no night. Up there is very clean. It works like
She don't have girl we tip them. We tip everything for nice special. So on a pussy too tough, we can't make it come. So we have tip for the money.
No there. Crab and lobster.
Brother, tap show them.
Promotion. One lobster.
Say girl mad me. Girl get mad me away listen.
Madam.
Girl get mad we away listen.
Alright, girl I'm mad look at.
Aye. I food.
Every time my belly full more than me in love. Believe. No joke.
I like mutton and can't eat.
I've got them fuck that. You know say I bring them. If you go in the net. All man who are mad over girl boy, you go in the net.
Oh you mean?
Every man who are mad over girl, go in the net.
Believe. Take us away live. Show them a new car, show them a new car.
Right there sir.
Take care.
So I hear nigga this. There's an ad. Yeah, boy.
Yeah, and boss said that. Boss said that.
Come on, all the nigga. Boss did my just
Boss said that.
No joke.
Hello.
After the days, man. Bully. Yo, if you don't have any promotion like you know any catering, remember my name Lobster Kevin, we can do it, you know. You see? But yeah, we don't respond to the guest house, you understand? We respond to the food. No joke. Food for days.
Yeah, my dog. Show them my dog, alright. My dog, me killer. Me killer them foot out. Look at me killer. Look at that.
My dog, go. Heal them up.
Active. Show that girl up business. I don't want no lobster.
She don't eat lobster. Buy fish. Buy fish this time.
We're gonna let the blood clot. Alright, sorry, look at you now. There. Let the girl follow girl here. We don't want no lobster. She don't eat seafood. I broke man. She broke man when he born. He never name seafood yet.
Yeah, them don't know lobster there, father. Fish I cook for her, man.
Miss please, Marcus. We have a girl night team, you know?
Yeah, no joke. Freestyle, as I say, we have more than 103 style.
So she can run police.
Take up mad.
Dog. Honey, pussy like that, second one nothing good.
You don't want nothing good, you know what I
love?
No, nothing good.
I'm taking party for him, oh God, youth.
Oh God, I'm sure all right now, no? I'm give them piece of ball in. Give them piece of ball in. I'm for just hold out.
Wait, yeah man.
Alright, hold out. Dog.
Yeah, come on. Wait. Yeah, holla, wait. Wait, dog. Don't see over there, all I mean, set me the same. And at the boat, look at you, I'm going to have blood class stone. Give
me a big stone in my ass.
You know,
nah, but I rough it out. I rough it out.
I have big pussy girl, I'm chicken.
Yeah, man, chicken, man.
Yo, watch it. Smart in the boy.
Smart, man.
That's how they come from far.
Yeah.
They can't chick look a young youth that way. Oh, smart way.
Manipulate young youth, is it?
They say they love way.
But yeah, happy same way, is it? Fully happy, man.
You bring down.
No, bring down.
You give back police him.
Anybody want him to take him?
No, me I take him by
yeah, man.
I give Chrissy.
So I give me Chrissy.
Come, I give Chrissy number. Two of you play stone. Let's make it look like prank. I make it look like prank in front of him. I give me that Chrissy number. No, dog. When I tell people say I give me number, pussy clad. Say boy, idiot of fuck. Idiot. Chat a joke for me. Me not give that Chrissy number. I bet say my dog start for Chrissy number for Connie. I bet you. Me show no blood class as somebody made. I bet say we are going. Where we are going? One.
What's the Ruby saying here? One man. Don't wait.
I was saying my woman go down.
Yeah, man. Go van, dog. I'm here, dog. Go van, dog. Your woman good, dog. You know, I could say I'm already, dog. I could say I'm already, dog. I don't know, I said that I bring down. Nah, G said that.
You want me mother of Chrissy, yes, I mean. My mother of money will take for me.
Well, people over here say me done mad already. I want more problem when it come. So what I say? Bumbo clot. I tell you.
See, people in the town now gonna say no mad. They might think we're no mad.
I'm mad clean, see him here do. Are we eating wealthy?
Move over. Annie, I want to get you to watch her. Two watches me boy alive boy.
I'm very
Bumbo clot, Annie bossy man. Hey, Bumbo clot. Listen, I told people see now. Fuck me, I told people. I did Annie boss me dog. Blood to answer me that. Annie. My boy the rich master. Annie boss me kill at the blood clot up. What's that? Man trending on me now? No, me look at your life. Puss me, I'm going to make you restrict. Give me
people, me say me there. Me there do a video and a piece of sleep come down for me to rotted. Me hope say that video do good and come out good. Because me, you know long me there try done up a video and can't done up a video. Yo, me I telling them people, me just hope say me don't mix up that, cause me see when me do some part of the video already and me I move forward and me see some part of the video when me do already behind, like no, in front of things when me do after. You see me I say, so me feel like say that video there that video there all over the place with people, but here I go on. Wanna see with me, more and sleep your friend. But me can't leave the video and me can't go sleep on the video. You see me I say? So me just go done it up. Hopefully it do proper. You know what I mean? So you can watch some more of this to people. But the youth here, him and as we say, one girl, Kizzy sister. You understand me? In a local, like them did in a relationship and some local foolishness go on. You know what I mean? And them fall out and thing. So she come out and I expose him, and that me not like with people. I'm gonna find a way to make it in a life. You understand? And he might tell the people them couple life them send on something on him a certain way. And she want bust out what the man do. I said the man have good door upon him house and him have a big queen size and a whole heap of something she talk for one life. I don't know if I catch it, but me I go share a video with she. So make we get it. You see me here my people? Open a contagious sound now. Catch it. You see me? But here people, let me watch some more of this and share the one with she. And then we start with something else.
No, me bad man style. What's that? Must think like a dog. I'm a dog. This a pussy. Me tell say dog they come. Dirty girl on the bus me. The chain no kick We're trying to get here. Just ask them down. My chicks, next phone up on my burner. The chick on phone, they all have my phone. Show it to Chrissy David. Them say where I live. New car. Where it? New car, Chrissy. Tell Chrissy, new car. I wash you, make it dog, them I wash it. Go show license plate, dog. I'm not showing license plate, make it we can't show license plate. I'm not going to too long. Annie, I love what you're doing, my dog. Annie, I'm glad to fuck my dog, all of him. And the best thing ever to me, dog.
Don't tell no lie.
Why?
No, that's a lie.
I lie that. Chat, look at me, son.
No,
up there, so we live. Up in that place, we live, chat. Up there, so look at me, son. Chat.
Like that.
Chat. Up at Cherry Girl, we live, chat. No, lie, matter. Junker. I didn't tell me quite, but I know what I say. Stop it, with them. You can never carry down girl picking. You don't eat it. You don't want to fuck 40 man. I think say yeah, you know hot girl. No, you know war. When we fuck 40 girl, you know what we done? Jealous. You don't put them man. You don't eat it. You don't fucking go to it. You don't eat it. Girl picking want to eat it. Just say me go link my friend guy in a girl stress. So I listen to this man and I carry on him man. And I say, oh fuck. They are talking. I do a cartoon go link the dog. Me and dog are parrot they are told. See them they are told me and dog yeah. Chat, if you don't know a location, don't say nothing on the internet. Please. Anybody know a location, don't dog. Here. God don't care do that, don't tell it.
Oh, yeah, I'm going to go. I'll be more.
I don't know if I'm cooking food. Where's chef name? Chef is from England, chef. Chef is from England. Some of them have crab and some are lobster. Any man down here, holla. Oh, I see my comment. I joke.
Wicked, but what people are about burning.
We walk around the right on this, look at the punch shop side, you just walk around by me, I tell you.
Yeah, now bring me down.
Come. Walk on. Come, Annie,
crazy, Annie, there, yeah?
Annie, hey, I have a party in the body.
I never put nobody in a box. There's no malot.
I show you where you shoot last night. I show you every dollar where you shoot last night. Don't go ramp with me thing. Babe, don't ramp with me.
Alright, so people, me did have to just left the whole entire video and just, you know what I mean, recoup, while I look on that recoup and come back and add more things to the video. And me I go to it here now. So this is the video with him and she in the ATM. So she must give him and some money if he give back her or something. You see me? So me I go share she and Box TV, you know, because she a vent to Box TV about the situation. So me I go share some of that go now. And then we are go over to Ivany at vybz Kartel show, my people. You know what I mean? Cam say she a go buy a GUN and also Rochelle and Dinier back in the news, so we have a bunch of things with people. So
right, the ramp with me thing, baby, I showed 50,000 can from last night.
No, money. This is the man no bother with me. Give me money.
Babe, I show you much. Babe, now 50,000 just give.
Don't give
And just give 50,000.
Show me kinds and ways to shoot. Show me kinds them.
I'm gonna show you how much kind. Everybody shoot. Everybody think register you. I can't, babe, you shoot 13,000 kind first and then shoot.
Give me back money. Tell her I shoot for you. Tell me fuck her.
Dog, stop telling me, babe, because watch out. I have evidence you shoot for me. I'll show you this. You tell me the wickedest things I ever reached me.
You make me walk with today without my money. No, I eat that me done. Corrupt because I'm not going to team you want my money.
Babe, listen up, babe.
Don't think me, sir.
13,000 kind. Babe, 13,000 kind. I said how much, babes?
Don't think me, sir.
Babe, 13,000 kind and 50,000 kind how much?
Don't think me, sir.
13,000 kind and 50,000 kind how much?
80.
13 and 50 how much?
Listen, man, show me kind them on your phone.
Gotcha.
Don't fuck with me, no.
Gotcha, babe. Babe, just come on, take time, you know. Okay. Show you how TikTok crap and everybody business good. I know what to do. You shut your foot too. You're a real girl. You're a real girl, you're here to help me, that's it.
Okay, I'll ask you a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So, I've seen the one, OC, Brown, talking some stuff about some gifting issue. You can clear the air for me so the police can do his work.
Yeah, man, make a talk. Make sure the life build up somewhere.
Okay, I will tell the life build up. So, everybody tap up, go left from my life and go over life, go tap up our screen. Right now, everybody just jump off from life and go over there. 100 and other one over here, all I want to go over there, go tap up our screen right now. You see me? Yeah, because we are get the bottom, but we are get the good part of it. You see me? Yeah, that's how we think. But no, bro, no, you do over my life. Jump in a pussy, we are look for you, me and Ziggy, Pussy, we are take you down in the idea, yeah. I work, we are work. See me say I don't want to meet you. People on the top of our screen. You see me? Alright, no bro. OC. No bro. You want house. You don't want house. OC. No bro.
What's up, guys? What's up?
All them two girls said me, Ashanti, go and bill. I don't have time for you now. I'm doing my job. Yes, people. The police, we are looking for no brown, you know what I mean? You see me? In connection with some public mischief, you see me? You can be charged for them if she decided to go to the station. You see me? And you see a lot of stuff. But incriminate himself. I went over there and asked him a few questions. And when I went over there, he has confirmed certain stuff. So people on the top of Chris's life, and they will deal with it. Shall build up our life.
Power tap, chat. Power tap.
Everybody power tap. Everybody.
Black Alex, the tile artist. Black Alex. And Alex, black him.
Oh, you want to go and build up?
No, make a talk. I don't have to wait for the whole work to come. I don't mind me talk. So basically what happened was, if I see one thing going around, we are, them say me shoot up some interstellar phenomenon and 2 puss kitten, and I give him 1 car show as well. I give him like 4 puss kitten that day. 1 car show, I give much galaxy, and I give him interstellar. I give him money for stuff that day. Yeah? No, call my phone because he was trying to rank with Donia. He was at #1 and Donia was coming for him. Before that, no say me win because I was telling with Zozo the day. And no see me win how much gift at the Zozo and me and two other graduates that did I play. And Zozo said to me, Chrissy, you have too much smoke, We go jump and play some people and take down some people. So no see when we win the money that day, that was the day before in getting in start the #1 for the ranking. He used to have the money saying call my phone when he was ranking because Donna did come and pass him odds. So I pick up your phone and go say no and call me. I say Chris, Mr. Chrissy, when you reach out recycle your coin them for me. I had like $75,000 in my TikTok account. He said, if you recharge something them for him and send the money come give him and he give him back my money, the next day or even the same day through my PayPal account.
You confirm that on your live stream?
Well, I know. So I go so boom. They send him up all like it. So I call him. Say no. Where you there? So, where my PayPal? Give me some PayPal name come give you, and you shoot my money through my PayPal. No start go around me. No start to tell me say Chrissy, you know PayPal and somebody else he make doing PayPal for him. So my brother say no start go around me now. Me say no me I come on your foot. Me go pick you up and carry go to the bank and get my money. Cause me money to do something nice. I have things that me a bill to take care of. No, they say, alright then, forward a foot. I go straight down to where none come from. I'm picking him up at the bar. I see 4 guys outside the bar. I'm going to call them, none of them answer me. I didn't pay my mind. One of them at the bar, they say, oh, mama, you're good, you look nice. I say, oh, yeah, I'm gone. Took up, no. We go to Junction, ABM, NCB, ABM, the bank. So the ABM is inside the bank. We're going in, no. Before we go in there, on our way, one guy called him and said to him, said, no. Charging more money for me kind of me shoot so I was the only person basically get for shoot. I'm getting back the money. The guy said to him, say, me no reach 70 yet, but me I'll come. I sent it for me money. And he said, how much me have to say for you? And the guy said about $20,000. No, say me no have all that in a papa. There must be about 80 grand for me card. My mother was there and listen when Nuno was saying that. Cause my sister mother go down there, the baby in her hand. When Richard and Nuno go to the ABM now, Nuno turn to me inside the ABM, Nuno pick up him phone and start recording the area. Then Nuno plan for me. And I said, move the camera to my face, Nuno. We are doing. He draw the money and draw 50 grand and put it on my hand. And I said, no, that's not the agreement.
Alright, my people, you see in life, me I go teach you something. Never you lend a person what you can't afford to lose. Like what you can't afford to give away, never you lend a person that. You understand me? Yeah, because when you lend somebody something, you know must get it back. You understand me? So never you lend a person. And then TikTok is a place where these people come on TikTok and feel like say them and the people them when they meet on TikTok are match with are friends, and them have to take that out of them head because you're not friends. You don't know this person from nowhere. Upon TikTok you come meet them and everybody want the same goal. So when it come to your money, be careful. You see me I say? Guys go cause you and people feeling things and no telling where you can escalate and reach. So we can watch some more people.
You said to me say if me come and me shoot for you give me back my money and you call me and demand me for shoot for you, And because me want to help him and see him happy for the number 1 rank, me pick up my enough self and take up my phone, take up my $75,000 and shoot the no. Turn to me at the place and say to me say, I give you 50 grand, I'm gonna keep the rest for the cause. Me say, what you mean, no? To me say, me I keep the rest of the money for the cause. If me can't support him. Me say, no, I scam me. Because the second day I saw no pick up him phone and carry me to him there. The same shack where you see no live in her. One house the auntie, no did block off the house, the part of the door where they shut the auntie. And pull on the zinc and show me say, see him room there. Him can more than go to take care of me and go up on him phone and go in him TikTok balance and show me say I have $2.6 million in my account and tell me say everything I just craft. You see from me realizing that no don't me see them back coming no have. Yeah? Yeah, you got comment what I'm mommy. I realize no have a back room on the house and no the zinc off the door. Me shock and feel away if you know say me company media. Come put up everything when no house there, everything. Only if no show me say he want to fuck me. Tell me say beg me and fuck he want to fuck me. Just because him how much money in him account and he tell me say me not to watch me see on him because him look shock what him have is just to sit down and beg. And go ahead as far as express to me and tell me say Damien put you on how much rank how much money him have a suck him pull out him phone and show him phone I suck who want believe for them business, who don't believe that it's phone no business. Me I talk my piece, this is the last me got talk about it and come off father up here. No show me say no you cannot afford me, no. Me say no look for me good, no. You cannot afford me. Me come me get look at highlight by saying look a brown in there with you. Me say no all you have to do now take a look at it as a Chrissy TV I look you. I run with the Nuno and see if I can get more money Nuno for build up people because I like the shop for me saying now. The second day, me go Nuno pull off his ink and show me the back room. That's why nobody don't want nobody see where he live. People call him to help him. And you don't want them to come there, come see. And my sister Nuno have me scam media. Me said no, focus on yourself. I've been having live. I've been doing the live. Anybody with me true fan them, with the man them will always come sit down and watch me pan it up. Me always say no, focus on yourself. Nuno said to me, say, no, you want to fuck off of me, have to fuck me because you say, hey, my top man, I'm enough to watch media. You hear me tell you? Yes, so then when Nuno do what you do, video me, post up on the wall. You see? And that's the plan to take me down because Tree know say he have you look at the room, panny house, and the shaka does in farm out. And that's a Nuno company up. We can't try farm up, we come take me down. And me sit down, me shake my head because I could have company up the same day now. I start talk, but my mission was not to bring down Nuno. But Nuno mission was to bring me down. Nuno mission was to bring Chrissy TV down. Me no come and look nothing. Yes, me pay rent for true. My mother have a 3-story house because this is my room I'm in right now. And me move out of it. Me want to be my own woman. And me pick up my car and me get me goods there. Me buy me goods. No care for 3, 4, 5 or 6 shots in it. I eat me a walk on also. All room me buy. Me start do local stuff more by one igloo if you do me thing. Me no, there's no way a girl like me can go and take up Nuno for me head and say me want a relationship. I pitied Nuno, I wanted to help Nuno. But in return, Nuno company media, they try and bring me down because he show me say he have a back room. Me no want nobody company up can tell me say, me want Nuno money, and me scam Nuno. Nuno tell me something if he shoot the kind them fame, and I shoot at the kind for Nuno, and Nuno want to extort me at the same time. How can you have $2.6 million sit down put in your account? I want to take my little money with me have. I mean I beg your ask if it's nothing. How can you want to do that as a man? How can you really and truly want to do that? You say, I try, just like you. And you sit on your money. I want to come try to start me on my own. And run down upon the media and can talk about how me want your money and how me shoot kind. Why didn't you tell the people them say he told me to shoot and he'll pay me back my money? Instead, he can call me thief. You can call me thief. Look for me good. You know how much man I look me, how much man me can talk to? When I don't want to choose, no. I help me, they really and truly want to help, no. Why? When I don't want to help, no. Me don't want, no. What may I do with, no. Me just, you see the mission was never to bring him down, but he come now. And he formulating story now. Come to bring poor me down. Me have my story in I pass, you know. Me have my story, I'm gonna beat and box and kick me, you know. Me have my story in I pass, you know, so nobody can come try and bring me down. Me humble myself and I hold my own. Me take up my little vehicle, me start sell my little goods. And I know me I sell goods. And I know me the money up I sell goods. At the first time I meet Nuno, you say no, Ziggy lifestyle. I'd be for one match with Nuno. That's the first time I meet Nuno panic up and just what here. And me see the background and I say John one star. And people call me phone and tell me say run from that boy. Because that boy a chop. And me I say oh. And when a second day we got here and him pull up. When tell me say beg me a pull, me say no you can't afford me. No pick up himself and tear off his zinc from off of the door. Show me that's connected to the house. And show me a cut and show me say I have $2.6 million. And show me say you can move and take care of me. Maybe he was moving me in my house and him pay the bills. So no. So, me say, no scam me and sham me. But no focus on yourself. And show me never want to bring him down. You know me do. Me leave it up on me one and say, God no, John. When me get myself involved in enough. No so on the side every day. Can no want to sit on every day. No have a good bedroom lay down in a. No have a good bedroom lay down in a right now. When he offer the app, no go open door. Step in a nice room with a queen size bed. The reason I don't know earth, I don't know I become a tennis, I don't want a relationship from him. In the bank, he looked for me and said to me at the bank saying, oh, you shoot for Zozo. And you know, asking back for kind them. Me shoot for Zozo willingly. Out of me heart. Those who didn't pick up your phone and say, Pretti TV, shoot some kind for me. Zozo don't need that. Zozo don't need them kind of attention there. People shoot for him genuinely. I've shoot for Nunu already. I've shoot for him already. I'm not asking back for nothing. I him pick up his phone and call me and tell me say me must shoot for him. And when me shoot for Nunu want to extort me off my money. And then not tell people up on the app now, oh me thief, me a thieving girl. Didn't you hear when he said that to you, Barbz TV? You go for the media in a guest box. Where asked him to Barbz TV?
I asked him if there was a agreement with you to say I'm going to send back the money to you, and him say yeah. Him say it, him agree to it. Once he agree to send back the money, that means there's an agreement is there.
Right. Alright. So nobody can find it up and try bring me down.
Him done say I'm going to send back your money.
Hey, my people, this youth here, if him take the girl money, him fi give her back her money. You see me? Full. And with even extra because based on what she has say, a long year and ready eye. I want up in her ranking. You see me? I say, so if him fi give her money, him fi make sure say him pay her back every single cent. But me tell you what I don't like with some girl, my people. You have some girl where them a tell a man say, yo, you can't afford me. Seeing? And when the man show you say, yo, me own this or me have that, you either go say the man bossy, or try hype on you, or you go find some bullshit for talk about, like how she expose the man thing right now to Barbz TV, I tell him a bunch of things. So it exposed to the world, you know, so you are going to stop the man food. And me don't like that, my people. Me don't like y'all stay so we say them want to expose man and them way there. You know what I mean? Whatever the man show you, man, I show you to impress you, for show you say, yo, he might run a little thing, but he have him little thing set up, so, you know what I mean? If you like what you see, come link up. And that the man I try show her. But she want to take it to the world and mash up the man thing. Me don't like girl like that. You see me I say? Where you end up at the man yard for if you're not willing to give the man some crutches? Seeing woman have to know this say, yo, all enough to jump and go man yard, virgin, don't do that. You see me I say, no jump and go on the man yard, no matter what some man I invite you at them yard for. Because you know grown and know enough to know say, them man will tell you one thing and it's the next thing, although that not right, but protect on yourself. Simple as that. Let me know all the thing with people. We'll move on to the next.
Wait say. See that tell we how the missing money I go with Reba.
So you read it.
Sometimes I can't read, sometimes I can't read, and sometimes I can't read. All the money needs to go get a pear sheet storeroom in our crutches. Then them a hungry girl in a foreign and them don't want to work. What the money I go, Nisha not get it. My teeth. Then me go to tell them that him say share teeth. Teeth Britney money go to fear lean body. Lean yes or no, she not show her face. Lean. How me fi know money I go? I got back my refund. Thank God. You know, thank God I get back something. Steph with the good vibes. You know, thank God I get back your own. Me never send go send the money go give nobody. I saw she enough. When me tell you that girl is enough girl. When me tell you about the play on the internet, you know go like say, everybody hate Chris. When me talk about them, only say one class me for them. Member, good. Member, she enough. Remember them enough feature, everybody hate Chris. She enough. Remember she enough, you know? Because Owie and Nisha a platform. And Owie and Nisha, they must have somebody can collect them money to help out them situation. Then come here now on the long as a side of me. Me no hear say courts comfy Kasha furniture them. Why? Murder! Hey, me say, me dear, me love, pain. Hey, murder! Me say, me no use a quote. She come back with Kasha furniture them. Remember them class? Me I say, Rosealee, you there a long time. I'ma just come here. And you can't move around. I me have
This dead.
plug it in. I me have TV in a toilet.
She do what?
She have TV in a toilet.
She tell watch TV?
Yeah. Judge, we don't know so courts come back for the every blood clad thing. Cause she not pay her courts bill, 2-year warranty. She know a thief them thief. It's when I got courts, I sign up for people things. Don't have courts. Them tell the payment plan before them tear them things. Them make you know, so listen to me though. Is that you pay 1,000 a month, I want 2,000 a month, I want 3,000 a month. She sign up for the payment plan. She does thief. My dear, my love, 2-year warranty means say within 2-year time them give a monthly payment you do. Me a busy with them, cause remember quotes now come for the whole bed where me have. I can't the same furniture them what she did a hype on you, but me, them can't hype on me. I'ma tell you this. You see that net here? I mean the only big back shape bad girl never come on this net. Come sit on a hype. Come sit on a hype and go on for me don't have. It is what it is. I mean the only shape bad girl never come by. Come Jets, come buy 5 pound of oxtail for me. We're gonna cook it 5 pound. I mean the holy morel, gubalo, gubel, maskinito, shape bad, Mrs. Bradback. No come by come hype. Me come by come live life like how life is. Me's not that girl. Miss. And I want to talk about me and the liquor. I can talk. Mrs. Cockleberry. Vani. I do OF. And when the story come out about me and my situation, your shift your remarks is me I make money and my living arrangement is poor. Uno I make money and phone living arrangement up to date and look how uno gonna do. Because I would have never think of doing of those things. Me not bash her, you know. Because man can do what them wants to do. But at the end of the day, you have to fix a priority so you don't need that certain lifestyle and certain standard. You know, put yourself in a you're nice girl.
But people, let me tell you something, man. You see, from me here, the cat woman I say, yo, make she collect the money. It's like something in and me tell me say, you know, say something I go wrong, yeah, so. You say me I say I'm so bad sitting go wrong. She say bank hold on pan. People, me not them people here on TikTok, me not put nothing at all past them. Alright, so when it come to the situation you know with quotes and taking back the furniture from Rosealee rival, you see, people have sense in them people. Yeah man, common sense you have. Everybody have common sense. Because all the person who can read and write supposed to have common sense. Right? And one thing me know in a life, you say if you don't understand something, ask. Question are made to ask. The only foolish question that you can ask. You see me I say, I want when you don't ask. You understand me I say? There's no foolish question. Question were made to ask. So if you never understand this warranty thing here, you're supposed to ask them how the warranty go, what that mean. Because me sure say if them tell you say, yo, this have a warranty on it, 2-year warranty, whatever. Them never tell us you have 2-year warranty, so 2 years you're not going to pay no money. You see me? And enough of the time people trying still and they want to fix up them place and make them place look nice, nothing wrong with that. But you can't put your hat where you can't reach it. And that me ever hear from me, a youth to come up. You have to work in your means, you know what I mean? Go and sip tea till you can drink something else. You understand what I say? So it's sad, say why them come mess up our day like that and give the people in the community something to talk and people on the internet what at least you learn from the lesson there. You see me? So if anybody out there can give her 2 pieces of furniture, I know she should have want that. I can watch some more people.
Girl, and I like me with shit bad and can't fix. Me have to buy one clothes, me have to buy one suit of clothes having 5XXXX. I retrench. Look a bit neat and demure. Look a bit neat and demure. Certain lifestyle you don't need to take up. You have almost 600,000 followers on TikTok. You have one big page over Instagram. You're a star, you're a sensation. Certain lifestyle you don't take up. Me not gonna be the one to bash her. But the choice that she make is uncomfortable with me. I have to just make it stay. How did that stinking man? Him love clothes, you see?
Plant up the screen.
Where you want yam cocky?
Where I do?
I want to set my head. I want to set your head on me like a blood, like when you set ice in a freezer. Come on from a blood clot phone screen. Move! Dead dog. You turn Syria now.
Huh?
You turn Syria.
Accept the match.
Me not play the match.
Me not give you a play the match. Accept the match.
Me not play none.
Rosealee, you not fit shit.
Me not play none.
You gotta accept the match. You not fit shit.
Boy. That stinking man. Chat, we have 17 nuggets. What we are gonna do? We can't try him, chat. Me ask first, cause triple bill them off and I make you take them. We have 17 nuggets, chat. What we are gonna do? We can't try. Try, chat.
Them have people take it.
Me don't want about another batch tell me no. Cause we don't have no money.
True.
Me don't want to know. Here one. We want the people that have money to run the recharge. The people must say no. Me not play. Me not give my nuggets. I better triple take them.
You're gonna see how much nuggets I get. 17 me get to.
Chat, wanna run the recharge. Why you stick me up for so good? Chat, me could try. If you gone, come want him go on. Try, chat. Me could try. 16 for 17. Come now, chat. Already there. Come, chat. 16 for 17. Come now. I want we are play a move. We want to talk about business. We can't
chat, take the 16. Chat, everybody share the live, chat. Share the live for me. Share the live for me.
We go try now, chat. Try a 2.4K that miss a paper, but not coming with nothing. Blood clot.
Try chat, try that, try. Rose.
You want yam shit?
How you look, so?
Oh.
Let me catch him and lick you from head to toe.
Me never take a coolie car from me. In my days, me know such coolie shit pan kalalo and yam it. Me no like
in your mouth. Me a shit in your mouth.
But you shit in my mouth.
I shit your mouth. You know see your mouth.
We don't even like you.
Rosealee, you not gonna like me.
The batty boy. Here come in a bag of chat. Guys, focus. Because you not be my type. Cause me know your mouth rah and ask no girl that you know. I tell the girl about your mouth half a think. Cause uno grown people more think, you know? Hey, remember one time I go back to school, I have one friend I'm out. Hey, the first thing ever turn me off from a man, thinking mode. Me say, if a man more think chat, I would have never dealt with him. If Jake's more did think me sorry for him. Me hate people with their mouth stink. Power top shot. Guys, I look for money gun, focus. Me don't like think, but not everyone would. I don't know what they're thinking mouth, man. If you more think, me no want you. Focus shot. Guys, power top, you want the speed. Low key. You blah 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 too much. Let's see too. Push up his score chat. We not on gloves. We not on gloves shot. Jesus Christ, neck and neck with no speed. Jesus Christ. Come chat. Guys, click on the gloves and shoot. No roads, Kiki. Use the gloves shot. No roads. Use the gloves. Kiki, stop! I would stab up Kiki, you know? Kiki, them ever tab you up. Kiki! Guys, use the gloves! Me say if I ever tab up Kiki. Shanta, excuse me.
Excuse me.
Gloves shot! Watch out. Guys, gloves! No rules! Guys, me can use the gloves on a post. Guys, use the gloves. Come on, a chat. Watch your blood clot, big hole them. Watch I wanna with. They forgot me one drink of rum, yeah? You know, get them gone. Them can't protect it by my girls, them. Shanta, excuse me, you know me a chat, but leave big people business alone. Guys, drop the last gloves at 30 if you have none. Come here, Giselle Henry, and I'm cock. But I read my black Giselle Henry. Come on for this. Me not look followers. Move. Look for your stinking mama, your stinking parents, them. Guys, you can't snipe. Come on, a chat. We not a gloves can drop on a smoke.
Alright, my people. Boy, that video here go very long still, you know. But true, me did have the things that me did go share, when me did a share with you earlier. I know that me put it down and go all a 5 and come back. Me have more things, so I have to just put everything in one. Hopefully, you know what I mean, in the full dry. So, here we go, my people. We are going to go over to the next. We'll move on to the next and in the Rosealee thing.
King, what me have to do tomorrow? Stay calm, I go buy a cup tomorrow. I mean, I want to bill, every bill pay already. Light bill, water bill, cable bill, phone bill and rent. Everything pay. So me can go buy one. What me and him for? Go out and bro. Me not a friend, me not keep friend. Me feel listen what you do. I mean, I really want a night in here, no light in here. No prayer, she just wake up. You know, saying nah, drop asleep, you know, me go look at the TV. Me there weird on my end, they could ring it, mistake and ring my door. What do you want, girls? You want man that walk come, you know, and the person see we and turn back. Right at my window too, you know, they reach right at the window. But like then looking at house and see we and turn back. I am a watch your house. Come ring my bell and I can't nobody. If me cry, you know, if me I think negative and I say, whenever Lexi friend them or whatever, nobody come to Lexi, you know. Lexi now no phone, me take him phone from him from when Monday. On Monday, me take Lexi phone. Lexi now no phone. Because me say me not give him a phone during the week. Me just give him phone the Friday, Saturday and Sunday. Sunday night, me take his phone from him. Because I want him schoolwork and things keep that level the way they can know. So me just say, you know what? No give him no phone. Cause night time when he have him phone, he not sleeping, you know, wind up on phone with him and him bang around them. So I take him phone from him. So let's see, now enough from mother say, well, maybe I friend them can call him or can look for him or like whatever. He not enough phone. I not enough friend who could have bright to come here because he will let his friend afraid of me. Well, whatever they want and whatever they is in the name of Jesus Christ, they shall not come back. Because they come back, them out dead. You know that for sure. I feel it. Alright, now connect. I want to go sleep now. I can't even go sleep because, you know, I kind of said that girl, you know, I didn't go knock me door. I put on something back at the door. I want to see if it will latch there. Oh, I can't get them from Amazon too. You know, they latch where you put inside like Jamaica. Like if you pull the door, it have the, I could like get somebody if you come put on the bar sitting upon there, we have to lift off the wood sitting there. I can't get them there. Remember me a woman and I have to secure myself. But if you get somebody come put on two of that down, the chain lock. Yeah, we could have get that one, did that not bad. But that's hard for do too now. We could have asked the apartment to come put on it down. We could have called the people them we rent the place from. Somebody will leave it something for me. Move away. Alright, I'm your turn.
Show up now like una somebody. Anyways, guys, what's up, yeah? It wasn't a big day, but everybody else could have show up except from your kids. And I offered you them, and you said no.
Thank you, Shantisha.
And he can't make me look like a bad mother. Me's a top mother and a phenomenal mom. And he knows that too. That's one thing I always say. Me's a good mother. Me not run picnic joke. And he don't want keeping a man away from his kids joke. When we say don't call my phone now, that's it. But if you see him picnic them, me not stop him. We say don't call my phone now, me not chatting with you, and that's it. But if you wanting to see your kids and me stop you from see your kids, I will never do that. Never. No matter how them call me, yeah, me either can fool. Him can see him picking them anytime. Him can see him picking them anytime. So when I offered you to see your child for your graduation and you said no, and that's what we talk about. Don't talk about when me and your mother did in a hot water and me say then I'll go around none of your wicked family them, and I stand on that. Up to this day, me will tell you say them now go around none of your wicked family them. Up to this day, I still stand on that. And it now got change. So you always paint a picture like a me a stop you from see a picnic them. Yeah, your family them have no plans all along. That's why I don't ever rub it in my face, pee cluck. And that's okay. I'm good with that. I'm happy for you, I'm proud I am, I'm glad I did too. But every time it always make me look bad. Double out, guys.
How was your day?
Active, bro, guys, double. Bright and outside.
Thank you.
Before me give you a chosen passport. Before me get chosen passport, I asked this man, I asked this man, do you want your kids at your graduation? Him said, no, and nothing big. After me done this, I just go in a job training or whatever. That's what he said. And my kids, I said, okay, no problem. And I booked my ticket, I'm left with my kids then. I never just left with my kids then because, well, me I carry your mother. Number one, me have to get permission from him to even get chosen passport. So he knew I was traveling. He knew he was graduating. So don't make it seem as if I'm me the problem. Don't make it seem as if I'm me the problem or I'm me stopping from seeing your kids. You and your family, all of them want to deal with him. So that's why the whole of them have them planned out. Have long time plans. That's why them kids them don't involve in nothing because that was their plan. For the whole of them X me out of everything, X out blessing, X out chosen, and them take over everything. Still stand on that. Me still gonna say that. Your wicked sister, I don't want me picking them around her. Point blank period. But me asked her before all of that. See how Kayla was there. You can't tell me what to react to. Now, but when I go continue, make me look bad. And the comment time always, I make it seem as if I'm the worst person ever. Okay then, let me be the worst person ever, but me go speak my truth. I don't care what no one say, no not feel like me. I'm the worst no one to not like me. I already have who feel love me already. So when they on film side, stay over film side, that's fine. Me proud of him too, proud of him too. Who make him the way him there? Me. But I don't want him to kiss me as one and weird. But don't come and kiss him as if I'm that bad person. When me see the comment section, them I bring me down. But me bad. I'm mad. Me I keep you away from your picnic them. No. Me not do that.
Come right here.
What a journey, good things are that way. Fear and fear, so can you understand? What I'm nothing,
I want to big up yourself.
People, me say, me love all vybz Kartel. I take it to the world. You know what I mean? And I put dancehall music on a different level when it comes to staging and performance and all this. No, I'm not gonna say performance, because you don't know, say he's sick and you know what I mean, he wasn't a performer, one of them top performers there before him get locked up, and he kind of worse, you know. So the people them accept what him give to them, because it's an experience. It's not like something where you go figure galang bad and jump up. It's just an experience. It's a name brand thing to do. vybz Kartel show them is like say I was there. Not saying the production and the presentation no good enough. Me just say bypass everything else. It's just an experience. You know what I mean? And it's a good look. You see me I say, and the little fool in the show go on a Trinidad or the other people. Me do want to talk some on it still now, but me not going to talk now because the video is long enough. So we're going to just run out that one here and just don't make it go 100.
Yankee, you no go on home, man, but I come and have party to the madness.
It was a good performance, though.
Yeah.
Catch the car, though. Guys.
At least park at the front.
Yeah, I'm gonna catch the car.
It was a good one. I called something on me. What a journey. Good thing. Run so. I know them at West Spice Dash. Me want to say let's do. Sit down. Should I go to the party? I have no blood clot for telling my sister. The service not in this place. I look better than the girl in my son.
Ivan, you look better than the girl, man.
Yeah.
You look better than Natty.
What I say? For the light! We can show a little bit, we catch it right in time. Blam there, what I say?
You look better than Natty.
No, I call nobody, I call them the girl anyway. That's why they see me look good and I call sir. Hey. Damn them, me I back here. Yeah, where I call it dirty girl name for my life. So look good.
Nah, yeah, sorry, my boss.
I want to park.
You not to take me up down here.
Somebody come in here, they want to fight. I gotta run for my life.
They want to take a picture. Remember you're a celebrity, you know?
No, that's a man. I'm not a smile when I do rubber or something. To run for my life.
No boy, care man. Ivan, you know say BJ on stage.
See who?
BJ on stage.
Oh!
BJ.
How name sir?
Fireball.
The artist TJ.
Fireball, yes.
The artist TJ.
Fireball.
Me not see him in the
Sorry, can I get a pic?
You don't scare me like that.
Take a pic, please. Take a pic, please. Take a pic.
Quick, my friend done left me.
Ivany, big sturdy. We don't use to keep, but
alright, Lord man, some music cheap. What a disgrace in our society. Hi. Hello. What your friend darling? Everybody want my friend. Brandon, my friend darling left me.
Ivan, you know you're a celebrity.
But they go and leave me alone.
Me a celebrity.
How am I car there? How am I park?
You knocked it over.
How am I park again? If you follow back here, send me address. Follow back here, send me address. I don't know where what it wait, may I call you? Me? Jesus.
Ivan, if you're a big top celebrity, or you're not rolling on security?
Me never go come.
So make it short when we get on security. Roll it. Make it sense on security if you're rolling.
Hot man. Bumbo clot. Lock me door. Hello.
What's up, Dad?
Yeah, me alright. So you spot me out for so far. Well, I call somebody. Alright, later.